The title of this story is Chicken Little, a Cautionary Tale, retold by George Bridge. This is another fairy tale, a story that's been told for a long, 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 long time. Sometimes it changes a little depending on who's telling it. Let's listen and see about Chicken Little. One day, a few years ago, Chicken Little caused quite a panic. This is what happened. A panic means people were upset. Chicken Little was leaving for school on a sunny, happy morning when an acorn fell from a tree and landed on his head. Panic! Chicken Little got scared. The sky is falling, he thought. Was it the sky that was falling? The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little screamed as he ran. Henny Penny was walking to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friend. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny screamed as they ran. Turkey Lurkey was waiting for the school bus when he heard the news. Panic! He was really scared, so he ran with his friends. Now we have three birds running. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey screamed as they ran. Dizzy Ducky was skateboarding to school when she heard the news. Panic! She was really scared, so she ran with her friends. How many how many birds are running now? 1, 2, 3, 4. The sky is falling! The sky is falling! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. Foxy Loxy was sitting outside his cave, feeling hungry when he heard the news. Opportunity! That means something's coming that he would like to have. He wasn't scared, but he was hungry. Run in here! Run in here! He screamed, and that is just what the friends did. Now I've got you! Feed me! Shouted Foxy Loxy as he slammed the door. Now what do you think? Did he invite them in to keep them safe? Stuck inside the cave, the friends begin to think. Then they begin to talk. Then they began to figure out what had started the panic. They felt silly. Do you remember what started the panic? It was an acorn falling on Chicken Little's head, but she thought that what was falling? You're right, the sky. We need to get out of here, said Chicken Little. Now, instead of being scared, Chicken Little felt brave. All of his friends followed Chicken Little as he snuck out of the cave and into the sunshine. Then they ran off to school. Life is good! Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky screamed as they ran. And from that day forward, Chicken Little and Henny Penny and Turkey Lurkey and Dizzy Ducky did not get scared so easily. They did not panic. They knew that being brave and staying cool was way more fun. The end. Now let's remember the acorn fell on his head, and he thought the sky was falling. And he ran past several of his friends, and they were all running, thinking the sky was falling. And a fox invited them in. What do you think the fox wanted to do to those birds? Yep, he wanted to eat them. But they thought and thought and thought and decided to be brave, and they got out of the cave and back to school safely. The end.